Hi everyone, it's Mr. Puddick here. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's story, and I've got a new story for you today. The story we'll be reading today is the next part in the Supertato series. It is Supertato, Veggies Assemble by Sue Hendra and Paul Linnett. So let's have a read. It was night time in the supermarket, and everyone was sleeping peacefully. Or were they? Doo doo doo. Someone was looking for trouble.
Soon this supermarket will be mine. Oh, mine.
And with one click, all the freezers were switched off. You may already know this, but some vegetables are frozen for a very good reason. If they defrost, they turn bad, really bad. And the baddest of them all is the evil pea.
Wakey, wakey,
he called. One evil pea is bad enough, but now there were bags of them. The supermarket was in meltdown.
Run for it,
panicked Pepper.
Save me,
shouted Pear.
Save me,
begged Melon.
Save me,
cried Carrot.
I'm melting,
pleaded Lolly.
And time's running out.
Was there anyone who could save them? Supertato to the rescue! But before Supertato could save anyone, he was attacked by a swarm of peas.
What's going on?
asked Aubergine.
We're doomed, that's what,
cried Cucumber. Things were going from bad to worse. Supertato was thrown onto the conveyor belt, and he was heading straight for the bagging area. Was this the end for Supertato? I'm going to need some backup if I can just call the Super Veggies to the rescue! They use their ninja know-how.
Hi-ya!
They use massive muscles. They use some fancy footwork. And they used a box with a door cut in it. But what about the lollies? And where was Supertato? Sorry I'm late. I just needed to pick up dessert. And now for those freezers. Click. And I'll be needing a glass and a piece of paper, eh?
Who ordered the vegetables?
Screeched the evil pea.
You think you've beaten me, but I'm going to...
You gonna do what? asked Supertato. 3 cheers for Supertato, shouted Broccoli. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Supertato blushed. I couldn't have done it without the super veggies. Actually, I'm not a vegetable. I'm a fruit, said Tomato. And everybody laughed and everybody cheered. Yay! So, with the peas back in their bags and the freezers locked, the supermarket was once again a safe place to be. Isn't it wonderful? Said one lolly to the other. We're all back to normal again. The end. Right, I hope you enjoyed that story. That was the next part in the Supertato series, Veggies Assemble. I was having to think about what activities you could do, and I was thinking you could do some writing this time. So you might have made little super potatoes last time, or super veggies. And this time I was thinking, could you make a speech bubble for your super potato or your super veggie? So I've made one for Broccoli, and it's saying, help me, the evil pea is bad. So you can have a go and make your own speech bubbles and practice your writing skills. Right, thanks for listening, and I'll be back again tomorrow with a new story. See you tomorrow, bye.